Well, that came up beautifully. Very happy with that. Very square. So that's my stock. Ready to set up in the CNC and start cutting. Alright, so that's our insert there. It's going to create the female part of the rain drain when it gets pressed into here. Now, I haven't tried this yet, I can assure you. The inserts that I did for the female part needed a little bit of sanding to get them to fit, so let's see how this one's going to go. Oh yeah. I am very happy with that. That is a beautiful fit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark around here and give myself a little bit of margin, about 3mm. I'm just going to pop that on the bandsaw against an angle, and I'm just going to machine or cut that shape out, leaving about 3mm. The customer is then going to shape that. He's also going to shape in around here, radius that out so that the leather has a nice smooth edge to go around to form up that rain drain. So I'm going to get myself a pencil. I'll mark a perimeter line around that, and we'll come 3mm off that and just bandsaw it into shape. Alright, so I've just shaped that insert roughly. I've left about 3mm on it, so the customer's going to shape that around, and that'll be fixed into place then. Now, on a footnote, this has probably been my most difficult job that I've done on the CNC. Not only doing the drawings with all the surfaces on it and getting that right and scaled right so that it gave a 4mm gap or a 4.5mm gap all the way around the female, a perfect 4.5mm. I guess we won't know that till we actually try it, but the gapping that I've done, it looks pretty good. And then the coating on this, and then the machining time. So to me personally, this would be the hardest CNC job that I've done so far, and I'm very, very happy how that's come up. The customer's going to sand all this, get it all smoothed up, and then he puts there's a special epoxy that he lays over the top to seal it out, and then that's ready for forming. Alright, so I'm glad to see that one finished, and I'm really happy with how well that has come up. So I'll get that off to the customer tomorrow, and he can start doing his bit. Alright guys, we'll see you soon.